Yes, in today's how-to guide, we're going to show you how to scrim tape and to why we scrim tape as well. It's a pretty simple job, I'm not going to lie, but some people might wonder why to do it, where to do it, and how to do it. So all you need, scrim tape and a Stanley knife. And all you're going to do is basically, you see the cracks or the joins in the plasterboard all the way up. But basically, all you've got to do is go around every join and just put your tape over. So it's very simple. It's sticky on one side and it's not sticky on the other side. So all you're going to do is put that, join that up like that, and slowly work your hand all the way down. And then you just got to slice it off. You're going to stick that over that like that, and then you go, oh, that's wrong. You can just pick it up, move it, and it's pretty durable. Just make sure you rub your hand over it, because some people, you'll catch a trowel on it, and then when you're plastering, you'll catch a trowel on it and it will come off, and it's an absolute nightmare. So just make sure you're fully nice and pressed in there, and then you're going to want to do all your joints around. If we plastered this and it was like that, that's just going to crack, because obviously naturally walls are going to move, and there's a point there where that will crack. So this bit of scrim tape just basically has a little barrier between the cracks and gives it a bit of strength. And that, my friend, is how you scrim tape a plasterboard joint.